Next question. Consider two functions fx. There are two functions x square minus 8x plus 11, and there is this other function gx, which is x square plus 12x plus 13. It is given these functions attain minimum value at p and q. It is attaining minimum at, so f minimum, I know a quadratic function attains minimum value at x is equal to minus b by 2a, and it is given that it attains a maximum value at p. So at x equal to p, it attains minimum value. So p is from, I can find p from this, because this function is attaining minimum value at x equal to p, and that must be equal to minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a is 8 upon 2, or p comes out to be 4 from here, because at this x, quadratic function attains minimum value. And f minimum at x equal to minus b by 2a, because again this is also a quadratic equation. So it attains minimum at x equal to q. It is given. So q must be equal to minus b by 2a, that is minus 12 upon 2, or q comes out to be minus 6. So I need to find the value of modulus of p minus q, which is mod p is 4 minus q is plus 6. It will be 10. So correct answer to this question is 10.